reason, di ba, why these things happen. If it's segmented, if you cannot give me a general na sa 935, if you can say na 100 po dito were caused the seismic, eto dahil mali construction, etc. But that's part of the contract. Eh. So we will ask you next time. But I'll allow you to organize it so that you can, and if you want any of your engineers to diba, na siya magpaliwanag. Last question on my side, then I can Engineer Cañete, was this design ever used in another country?
Madami naman, sir, yung arch, Actually, I've been designing arch bridges since 1990s,
So what makes this different?
I actually have a lot of other arch bridges here
Okay.
na it's not even known na I design iconic bridges. I have Bridgetown, design ko rin yan. Cable State sa Circulo Verde, sa akin din yan. And then yung arch...
So it's new for DPWH, but it's not
Yeah.
new in terms
Actually,
of...
when I was, sir, ex-DP ako, I was with Bureau of Design Bridge Division. I was with DPWH for 10 years, no? Actually, nag-design ako dati ng arch bridge para sa kanila. Yung mula Binangonan papuntang Talim. Kaya lang, siguro masyadong, 80s pa yun eh, masyadong advanced siguro yun at that time. So, medyo ninervous ka. Pero kalahati lang ang cost.
Pag too early ka, medyo...
Kano sa mga volleyball?
Very advantage,
Basket, kano sa?
aesthetic, efficient, and then mas mura yung cost. That's the... So, kung hindi arch ang ginawa natin, it would have been much more than 1.2 million.
Yeah, it is double.
Double. So at least we're finding out the why. I could suspend and end here. Ladies, gentlemen, anyone want to make any remarks directly connected or basically connected to our topic? So may I just urge everyone to work with the committee. We will work with the committee. We'll probably have at least one more hearing and look into that
Kumanin mo, Juan, sa ulan ng baldi ha.
Section, welcome back to the Senate. So, if there's... Yeah. Sec, may I just make this statement because I don't know if... you're of course invited and if you feel the need to attend, but if not, as long as your technical people are here. Gusto ko lang i-reiterate pa ulit-ulit, di ba? Nung pinag-aralan namin yung death penalty, pinag-aralan namin yung sa crime, sa criminology, medyo basic yon that it's the certainty na mahuhuli ka. So, ibig sabihin mo yung fine is 50 million and life sentence o death penalty, pero walang nakukulong at walang nafa-fine. Mas mabigat pa yung 25,000 fine and kulong 1 year pero maraming nakukulong na 1 year. So, if I was with Mr. Alvin Ang yesterday, economist I respect, yung disincentive works eh. Diba? So meaning, yung contractor na magaling gumawa at okay yung kita, siya ang parating nare-reward ng more contracts. Pero yung napaparusahan, dahil mali yung gawa, ay deterrent din naman sa magagaling na gumawa ng palpak. So in other words, if babaliktarin natin, kung yung nandadaya o malaki ang margin or taking advantage of the Republic of the Philippines, sila nang sila, and then hindi mapaparusahan, ganun ang magiging quality ng contractors natin. Kasi yung gumagawa ng mabuti, magpa-private na lang sila dahil sabihin na, sir, 10% na nga lang eh. Pag na-fine pa kami, or na-hold pa yan, or na-delay yung turnover, sa interest pa lang sa bangko, talo na. Pero yung mga tumitira ng 30-40%, walang pakialam kasi tuloy-tuloy. No? So I'm not saying at this point in time that kasalanan ng contractor, but I'm saying the evidence is there, bumaksak eh. So meron at meron may kasalanan na nito. So Sec, I hope that April 25 will be not a submission date, but a date where the where the DPWH draws a red line. Diba? Na hanggang dito lang kayo. Pag tumawid kayo dito, we'll go after you. Diba? So kung, ano ba election ngayon? May 12? Kung May 12 ang ginawa mong deadline, Sec, o May 11, dapat parang election yan eh. Diba? Parang tatanungin mo lahat ng Pilipino, sang-ayon ka ba sa desisyon ng DPWH? No, for me, it's this important. Kasi we're really talking, 1 trillion peso budget eh. Hindi ko minamaliit, Sec, na hirap bantayan lahat yon, di ba? Pero ito ang rule ko when I was in DFA, pati as speaker. Hindi ako naghahanap ng nasasampulan. Pero pag nag-volunteer ka, pagbibigyan kita. Di ba? Hindi ka nga naghahanap ng sasampulan eh. Nag-volunteer. Boss, ginawa ko, bumaksak. Nag-volunteer ka. So, I hope when we get to the bottom of it, we will not, walang sacred causa na dito kasi nga tulay ito, Sec. Thank you. So, for the record, sabi ni Sec, yes, no sacred cows on this, no? Thank you. Anyone else? Sir, Kanyate?
Sir, pwede mag-comment dun sa sinabi ni Honorable Senator
Yes,
Villanueva
yes,
sa
sir. Yes, sir.
I'd like to emphasize na in the annex C dun sa affidavit ko, sinabi ko na obsolete bigla yung design ko. Kasi 2012-2013 ko siya dinisign eh. 2014 nag-start yung yung construction. Bigla 2015 nagbago yung code. Ang tagal nitong, alam ko mahaba tong tulay na to, 1 kilometer to halos. Abutin to ng matagal, apparently 10 years. So, talaga ma-obsolete yung design ko. I recommended in writing na kailangan i-redesign talaga to. And I believe na yan ang main reason kung bakit ganun kamahal ang retrofit. Kasi buong design ko kailangan i-retrofit ko.
But sir, to clarify, it was only obsolete vis-a-vis the new bridge code as to seismic.
No, lahat. Kasi pati yung vehicular load, dati kasi ang design ko, truck lang. Ang 2015 na code, truck, pati yung lane load, yung sinasabi kong 0.9 tons per lane, sabay yun. So, pati yung vehicular load, tumaas sa bagong code. Yung seismic, tatamaan lahat ng substructures ko. Hindi lang yung Pier 8, hindi lang yung Pier 1, kundi lahat tatamaan.
Siguro sir, I'll give you the option to reiterate, to either just submit that or reiterate that in writing. Kasi I think that will help the Secretary's investigation. It will help the committee.
Yeah.
But I want to point out, that doesn't mean that we're ruling out